Hey guys, Judd Albring, and I'm going to talk to you about the ClickFunnels affiliate link. So if you are a new ClickFunnels user or member, you automatically become a ClickFunnels affiliate. And the way to access your dashboard is in the top right of your dashboard. You should see a picture of your face, your settings, and it'll just, when you click on that icon, it'll say on the right hand side affiliates. Just click on that affiliate button. It'll take you to this screen here. So this gives you all the different affiliate programs you can promote. For most people, you're going to start by promoting the basic stuff, probably the ClickFunnels 97 a month plan or the ClickFunnels 297 a month plan, maybe the Dream Car Contest or Bootcamp. And then all you do is click on each of those blue links and it'll give you all of your affiliate links. And all you have to do is get your affiliate tools, and you just copy your link. You can schedule. You can see all the different pages you can send them to. You can even go here and add a sub ID like blog post. Oops. ClickFunnels trial. So I might be like, this is from my blog post. So that way I can track it. And if people buy from this offer, I know it's from my blog post. And then maybe I want to create another ID. So let me go back. After I put in that, then I would copy and paste this, because this is going to have blog post in here. Then if I wanted to create another one, I could be like, video, and then it'll automatically populate video in there, copy it, and so on. So that's how you get your links, guys, your ClickFunnels affiliate links. It's pretty straightforward. There's not much to it. You just, the best way to do it is just kind of click through these, take a look. But right here is going to be kind of your core affiliate links. That's for promoting the main ClickFunnels product. I hope that helps. Please like, comment, subscribe, share. Have a great day. Bye.